Nestled between the Atlantic Ocean and the verdant hills of Liberia, about 80 kilometers northwest of Monrovia, Robertsport is an iconic coastal town. It is renowned for its wild beaches, surf-loving waves, and rich historical heritage. The capital of Grand Cape Mount County, this land has known silence. It has known hardship. It has known oblivion. But despite all the storms, the waves have never stopped. They have continued, like a pulse, reminding us we are still alive, and the ocean is still there. Surfing came like a whisper. No sponsors, no fanfare, just kids with borrowed boards and open hearts. At first, it was just a game, a way to feel free for a few seconds, a way to escape the weight of the world. But, little by little, it became much more. A language, a path, a way of becoming. In a place where opportunities were so scarce, the waves became masters. Today, surfing in Robertsport isn't just a sport. It's a lifeline. It's a way to feed families, to educate children, to restore pride in a place that was once a footnote. It's jobs, it's hope. It's peace. In Robertsport, waves don't just roll onto the shore. They tell a story of raw power, unspoiled beauty, and global potential. With its legendary breaks, this coastal town offers long, consistent, and majestic waves capable of rivaling the greatest surf spots on the planet. But Robertsport's true strength lies not only in its waters. It lives on in the determined gaze of its youth. These surfers, born between sand and sea foam, embody a new generation of Liberian ambassadors, passionate, resilient, and deeply rooted in their community. Through each session, they challenge boundaries, inspire those around them, and redefine the future of a land rooted in the ocean. From the fisherman to the surf guide. From the child picking up his first board to the teenager dreaming of competing on the world stage. We are building something together. This is more than tourism, more than a destination. It's a movement, rooted in community, driven by love, and fueled by every wave we ride. Robert Sport is a story still being written. With every tide, with every surf session, with every soul brave enough to paddle out, we are writing chapters of healing, transformation, and hope. Because here, waves don't break, they build. Surf West Africa, surfing together for a better future.